It's time for another SHEIN haul. This box is huge and I cannot remember what I've ordered. If you haven't seen my videos before, I'm Megan. I do loads of hauls, unboxings, that kind of stuff. I also do a few vlogs every now and again. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe and please leave a like because it does mean a lot and it does help me out a lot and it costs nothing. I can't wait to see what's in here because I honestly can't remember. It has been a minute since I ordered this stuff. I've got the trusty tweezers and I'm ready to get into this box. This is what it looks like. Oh, it is packed to the brim. I'm not sure why I got this. Maybe Dory would like it. Dory's my dog, by the way. She's very cute. Oh, it's still pretty flat. So this is a pink shark. I don't know why I ordered this. This next thing. This is a pair of wings that you can put on your cat or your dog. How adorable is that? I'm going to have to put them on Dory because that is so cute. It just comes with the Velcro bits around the neck and 1 foot under the belly as well. That is hilarious. I cannot wait to see them on Dory. So cute, Dory. Next thing. I'm not sure why I've got so many like cuddly toys. This is really cute. This is a pumpkin. This is so cute. I'm getting a shelf put up here like for the background of my videos, so I might have him sitting on the shelf behind. It's really good quality as well. I thought it was going to be like squished, like because the shark is just a bit sad and squished, but the pumpkin is actually really good quality. It's like a nice material, really soft and nice and squishy. Next thing, this is actually ice lolly trays and it comes with all the trays and then inside is the little sticks that you put in, so you put your own juice in, put it in the freezer and it makes some ice lollies, which is really cool because it is so hot here at the minute. I know I say that in every video, but it's always hot here. The seasons don't really happen here, it's just hot all the time, so it would be nice to have some ice lollies in the freezer. Why have I gone crazy with the Halloween teddy? This is a ghost. Now that is actually really cute. This is like a weird like sheep material. I don't know. Well, obviously it's not sheep material, but do you know what I mean? Like that kind of feeling of like what a sheep would feel like. Not soft, but kind of like, it kind of makes me cringe a little bit. This is a little headband. That is adorable. And it also comes with these little cuffs. So if you put these on while you're washing your face, the water won't run down your arm. It'll just like stop and get caught in the cuffs, which is really nice because usually when I'm washing my face the water runs down my arm, down onto the floor and it just creates a whole big mess. So these are going to come in really handy. That is so cute. This is going to come in so handy for washing my face, doing my makeup. This is an LED nail lamp thing. When you do gel nails, you've got to set them and cure them with the LED lamps. That is what the lamp looks like. It's just pink and comes with a USB plug and a little instruction. This is a sunglass holder, so you just stick it to your wall and just holds your sunglasses. I've got so many pairs of sunglasses, so I don't know why I just bought one of these. I really should have got more. These are like double-sided sticky things, so you just stick them on there and then stick it to the wall. We're getting through this quite fast actually. More Halloween stuff, but this is pink. This is some Halloween bed sheets. This is actually pink pumpkins, skeletons, ghosts, I think. That is really cool. Really nice for Halloween. The pillowcases are huge. My pillows are not this big. I think this would be nice in this room because obviously when I'm filming you can see a bit of the bed in the spare room. So it would be nice to have this on as kind of like a background thing. So this is for our bedroom. I'm redecorating our bedroom at the minute. And I want our bedroom to kind of have a more like darker, greeny, brown, cream kind of vibe to it. And I really thought that this would look really nice on the wall, something like that. Maybe framed. I don't know whether to frame it or not, but I think that looks really pretty. It's got all the different types of butterflies on. They're all numbered, and then at the bottom it tells you like which butterfly is which. I just thought that was really pretty, and it kind of goes with the vibe that I'm looking for our room. It's a really nice quality as well. It's like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it's quite like rigid. It feels really good quality, whatever it is. It's not like a tea towel quality, it's like better. I am getting really warm. I might actually have to tie my hair up. I've just curled my hair with this new curler. If you want to see how I've done it, then go over to my TikTok. I've got a really cool new curler that looks like this. I know, it looks a bit crazy. So if you want to see that, go over to my TikTok. Okay, let's carry on. There's still quite a few things in this box. So this is the next thing I can see. I have no idea what's in here. I don't remember getting this. No way, this is a Stanley Cup dupe. I do not remember putting this in my basket, but I must have. This literally looks exactly like the Stanley, obviously without Stanley on it, and it comes with a straw as well. That's what it looks like inside. It's just the metal, so you can have it as the little hole for the straw, like that, or you can turn it and have it as like a bigger mouthpiece, or if you turn it again, then it closes it. I think that's really cool. I like that a lot. I don't know why I'm getting so excited over a cup, but I'm very, very happy with that cup. This is like a jelly, and I got this for the car because it's like, if you can see on here, if you push it into like the vents and stuff in the car, it clings to all the like dust and bits and just pulls it out. And yeah, so I thought I'd get this for the car because it's so dusty all the time here. I'm not sure how well it's going to work because I've never used one of these before, but on the videos on TikTok and everything that I've seen, apparently this is really good. It has a really strong smell though. Just putting that in my hand is like... This is the next package. This is a shelf. No way. I've literally just bought a shelf. I totally forgot that I'd ordered a shelf, and I've gone and ordered another shelf. This is what the brackets look like. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put this now because I've already got a shelf. Okay, what's next? A tiny little box. Okay. That's what we're looking at the minute. I don't know what it is. This is a little cotton bud holder or Q-tip holder, however you say it. So you just put them in the top and then they come out the bottom here and you can just pick them out. That's gonna look so nice in the bathroom. This is a scalp massager. So when you put your shampoo on, you massage your scalp, and this is meant to help promote hair growth, and it's meant to be just very good for your head and your scalp in general. So I'm very excited to use this because I've never used one before. I'm trying to grow my hair. I want it to be really long, so hopefully this will help my hair growth journey. No way, this is another Halloween teddy. I don't know why. I must have just been really enjoying the Halloween teddies because look how adorable this is. This is so cute. A little black cat, and it has a little tail. Its little eyes are like moons. That is really, really cute. That is a really cute little Halloween gang right here. What is this? What kind of mood was I in when I ordered this stuff? It's just really, really random. This is a diamond painting thing. It's like paint by numbers but with diamantes, and you just stick the diamantes where the numbers are. Can't remember what kind of painting I got, so let's have a look. Oh, okay, it shows you there. A wave, the sea and the sun, and it has all of these little letters all over it telling you which diamante to put where, and it comes with packs of the diamantes. That's tiny. All of the codes for what diamante is what. This is gonna take forever. It says on the back, actually, 5 reasons why diamond painting is great for your health. It says 1, reduces stress and anxiety. It's like meditation, which I need because if you don't know, I have very bad anxiety. Number 2, trains your brain to focus. It's like a gym for your brain. Number 3, it helps your fine motor skills. If you don't use it, you lose it. Fair enough. Number 4, increases your social circles. There's a huge community to be part of. I didn't know that, so apparently there's a diamond painting community. I'm going to have to look into that. It'll probably be on Facebook or something. And 5, helps to spark creativity. Let's see what's next. This is just a little cream zip-up pouch thing. It has a couple of pockets in there and just like the main pouch area. I wanted to get this to put all my like girly products in to keep in my handbag instead of having like just pads and tampons laying about in your bag. Nice to have a little holder for them. I don't know what this is. It It's a ghost candle. That is really, really cute. That'll be so nice on my little shelf that I keep talking about. I'm probably not gonna light him because I don't want to ruin it, but that is adorable. Why do I do this? I bought this exact clip, or a very, very similar one, literally yesterday. And I totally forgot that I'd ordered one. Yeah, I think they just look really nice in your hair. And these are really cute if you have like some pink in your outfit and then you can match with your little hair clip. Yeah, I really like this and I can't believe I've literally just bought the exact same thing. Oh, this is another version of the butterfly thing that I got, but this one has flowers and I think this is a lot bigger. Oh, this is huge. This is massive. This is like as big as me. What the hell? I did not expect it to be this big. I've probably ordered it in this size and just not looked at the size. This is huge, but it's really, really cute. It has all the flowers and then it has all of the flowers' names on them as well, which is really nice. I love the colours on it and everything, but it is absolutely massive. Oh, this is a face wash little bristle brush thing. It vibrates, so when you're washing your face, it proper like gets in all your pores and stuff. This kind of thing went viral a few years ago, I think, and I never got one. It's silicone, so it's easy to wash. And yeah, I think this is going to be so good for just getting all the dirt and the grime and stuff off your face at the end of the day. Next, I've got some teeny tiny little nail gems. I told you I was wanting to try and just put some clear on my nails, but also there's these little flowers that just look so cute and I think they'd look really nice on your nails. I don't really want to get my nails done because I'm trying to grow them, but at the same time I want my nails to look nice, so I think these are going to be so cute. I honestly could not tell you why I bought this. This is a dustpan and brush and it is quite cute. It has a little watermelon thing on it and just, yeah, very random. Not sure why. That is everything out of this box. This haul is done. Thank you to SHEIN for sending me all this stuff, by the way. What was your favourite thing that I got in this haul? Let me know in the comments and why. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really does help me and my channel a lot. It doesn't cost you anything to do and I would really appreciate it if you supported my channel. Thank you to everyone who keeps coming back and watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.